In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand your backpack in Once Human. Now, if your items are taking up a bunch of space, there's actually one thing you can do to kinda fix this at least a little bit. However, it does require some RNG luck, so be sure to know that, okay? Now, what you want to do is actually go inside your memetics, and inside your memetic specializations up here. Now in here, you want to look for the gravel and log on the go specialization. The problem is that this is completely RNG and not everyone will have it. However, if you do, and if you're available and if it's available to you and you can get it, by the way, you should be available to get it over here at level 15, I think. You can unlock that, and you'll be able to then go to your intermediate supplies workbench, where you'll be able to craft kind of an expansion that will allow you to kind of reduce the weight of logs, gravels, and ores you carry by 40%. You can also upgrade that up to 80%, which is quite nifty. Now, as I said, this is completely RNG. If you have that, good for you, and you can use it, but if you don't, you may want to reset if you memetic specializations if you really need that much. But if you don't, you can just keep on playing and just store things in some storage boxes or large crates like I do right here in my base. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.